Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a pose. Now I have picked up a reference picture, and first I'll start with the measurement. That is 1 inches for one head. It's a 9 head croquis, so what I'm doing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've measured all the heads, and this is my reference picture. So the orange line becomes the center line. That's my center line. And the blue lines, these 3 lines are the shoulder line, waistline and hip line. So what I'm going to do is, 1 is my shoulder. So I'm going to draw a slant line which becomes my shoulder line. 3 is a waistline, 2 is a bust line, which I have not drawn it over here, but it's here. This is the bust line. 3 is a waistline, so I'm drawing it slant over here, and 4 is a hip line. Now if you see, the hip line is on this side of the center line. So this I'm going to go slightly on this side. 3 is just touching and the shoulder is not touching. So this is the most important line for the designing. Okay, then comes the axis line. This is like the axis line. So this is how the body is flowing. So these are 2-3 important lines which you have to understand. Now starting first with the face. Because it's a side face, I'll make it as a D thingy. Extend the line, neckline. I can give a collarbone. Now this is where the body is going. Bust line is here. Waistline here. And the hip line. The leg. You see, the leg is crossed over. Always give the bone line first. Always give the bone line first. So once these lines are established, six is where the knee is. Give the calf line. The legs. If possible, make the lines even if they are overlapping, and then you can always rub it off. Once this is established, start with the, even for the hands, always make the bone line first, and then and this you can change it any which ways. So I started first with the bone line. I'm fleshing out the hands. I'm right now not giving all the fingers details, but I have a video where I have shown how to draw fingers, so please go ahead and check out that video. Indeed, I have done many videos, so you can refer to those videos also for poses, and I'll keep making few more videos for the poses. Okay. Now I'm just outlining it with a black sketch pen just to define my lines. Many times I use these croquis, I just trace out them, and that's the reason I'm outlining it neatly with a black sketch pen. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get reminder whenever I post the